Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sharing with you 6 junk journal inserts that I created for a group swap. It's the first group swap I've ever done, so I did want to use one of my favorite digital kits, Summer in Mexico. I had so much fun creating these tags and all the interactive elements on my pages. I included some ephemera pieces so that the group members could use in their journaling, and every time I looked at them it just made me want to start journaling in the pages. So I thought it'd be fun to recreate one of the page inserts with you guys and do a little journaling. We're gonna keep it simple and use my Summer in Mexico printable kit. You can find it on my Etsy shop to download and print at home. If you don't have a printer, I now offer physical prints that I can ship out to you. If you do have a printer, take advantage of my current sale. Buy 3 printables, get the 4th free. Use code 4th free at checkout. To create the page inserts, you're also going to need a magazine or book page and vintage ledger paper or tea-dyed paper. We're going to fold our pages in half, and we're going to be cutting the width to 4.5 inches and the length to 8.5 inches. This book page is so beautiful. It's from a Mexican textiles book, and I just love how the colors coordinate so well with the decorative page that we're using. And make sure to save all of the scraps that you're trimming off so that you can use your favorite one to reinforce your vintage pages or to join 2 different vintage pages like I am. I just love how the colors peek through. It adds a little extra decorative touch to the vintage pages. Now we're extending the cover page, and I'm using the green floral page from my printable kit to do that. I did trim it a little less than 4.5 inches wide. We are using the leftover scraps to create a pocket, and I didn't stop there. I did want to use this beautiful yellow floral lace to do like a little flip out, but if you don't have fabric, you can use my digital paper linen as the flip out. This is how my extended page looks once I sewed on all of the elements. I absolutely love the decorative stitching on this lace. And now we're moving on to create a window pocket. So we're cutting out this image of Maria Felix, but we're saving it to use it on another embellishment later. And now we're cutting out only the blue floral pattern. That's going to be our pocket, and you can go ahead and embellish it using different elements from the other journal pages in our printable kit. Let's create our first of 2 collage tags, and I'm fussy cutting this picture of Maria Felix. She's going to be the focal point of this tag, and I'm just going through all of the scraps that I currently have from the Summer in Mexico printable kit and just cutting out different elements that stand out to me that I feel would really pop against the yellow background of the tag. Let's add some journaling space on the back of this tag. We can either leave that empty side white, or you can add tea-dye paper or a blank side of a vintage page. And don't forget that top yellow section can also be used as journaling space. Let's use another scrap of our Summer in Mexico kit to create our second tag. After we've measured it and make sure it fits in our window pocket, we're gonna go ahead and cut out the focal point. I'm cutting out these flowers in an oval shape. I wanted a little bit more dimension, so I'm using the green floral page as a background. And I'm cutting out these sentiments, amado mio, love of mine, to embellish the tag. I already went ahead and sewed on all the elements on the tag, And now we are collaging the back using ledger paper to create some journaling space. Now for the fun part and for my favorite part, I go back through all the pages and I start using up all of my scraps, all of the ephemera pieces that we cut out from our ephemera page that's part of this printable kit, and we're adding them to the journal pages to embellish, to add more color, tactile feel to each page, adding sentiments to inspire our journaling. This is the creative part. When gluing something down makes you feel happy, helps you meditate, helps you be in the present, and really makes you look forward to using your journal. Here's the final flip through of the journal insert that we created together. Look at all the colors. I love the choices that we made, how that blue pops against that yellow. We've left a lot of journaling space on the pocket, on the digital linen, some sentiments to inspire our journaling. I loved using these floral trims as decorative washi, more journaling space on our vintage ledger, cute tuck spots for this journaling card, more journaling space. This collage tag came out so cute. I added a floral ribbon. You can also use twine or silk. I created this collage journaling card from all the scraps that were left over, and we have more journaling space on this decorative page. I really wanted to journal on these 3 pages because the colors speak to me so much. I wanted to journal about my 10-year anniversary with my partner, which was back in April. I'm looking back at my favorite experiences that we've shared and places that we've visited. It's crazy how fast we forget to cherish these moments or cherish those people that we see and we talk to 24/7. Specifically because we have them around all the time. So I'm really happy that I did this prompt, but I'm not happy that I stamped Tijuana on that picture so hard that you can see the border of the stamps, but it was such a cute idea. This photograph is of a sign that we saw on a walk that we had at the beach. It's a cute reminder to yield or pause for good things in life. And I'm trying to use more stickers in my journaling. If you saw my craft room tour video, then you saw that I have a huge collection of stickers that I need to get rid of. Did some final journaling on this tag and on this doily of some things I'd like to change to make more time for bonding with the people that I love. I'm using my favorite trim as one of the final embellishments on my journal pages. You can find this trim in my new fabric bundle available now in my Etsy shop. And that's it, guys. Please stay tuned for my next video because I'm going to be sharing how you can join our group. We focus specifically on Spanish themed junk journal related projects. So if you'd like to be a part of our future swap or you want to start creating more Spanish junk journal projects, then you would be perfect to join that group. Also, don't forget that on my Etsy shop, which is linked below, you can now get your 4th printable for free using code 4thFree at checkout. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Till next time. Bye.